Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Pampered Polish's Oh Behave, MoYou London Pro XL01, SheModern Opaque White Sticky Stamping Polish, and Maniology NA041. Started off with Nailtiques Formula 2, and here's Pampered Polish's Oh Behave from Polish Pickup. Such a cool polish. A groovy baby. So here we go with our first coat. And it does dry down like matte or semi-matte, demi-matte. I don't know what you call that. But it doesn't dry down shiny. I can tell you that much. Covering my tips there. And we got to get Woody out here. Hi, Woody. How you doing? Cleaning up my mess. Okay, so here we go with our second coat of Oh Behave. And I really did like this one. It's a little unusual, you know. I don't have a shade of blue with white glitters in it, so kind of a trip. I am going to top this with I&M's Out the Door. Not just to make it shiny, but also to get it to dry down so that I can do some playing. Do some playing on this one here. And I did wear this as a manicure all on its own for one day. So here is a swatch photo of it on its own. And then I put on some Anchor and Heart Sea Glass Fairy Slipper matte top coat. And there's what it looked like. I'll be using MoYou London. And this one is the Pro Collection XL05. Nope, I'm going to use the Butterfly. So this is another like off the hook 4th of July manicure. Showing all the good stuff. I already mentioned what all of the items are. We're gonna do some play in here. That's why I mattified this, because I like mattifying it when I'm doing some stamping with pigments or glitters. I don't know. It's just the way I do it. So here we go. We've got that stamped on the nail. And using the sticky stamping polishes, I've got plenty of time to clean up around my skin, because I don't want glitters all over that, stuck all on there hard. I don't like it. I don't want it. So I got the acetone out too. Did the tape trick, and now we're going to do the acetone. You could use polish remover, whatever works for you. And I'll get that cleaned up before I go in with the glitter. This is that Maniology glitter. This was from one of the Mani by Me boxes, or Mani Me, whatever you want to call them. But it came in one of the boxes, and I decided I would use it here today. And like I was saying earlier, this is just kind of a funky take on a, you know, I'm using my 4th of July colors. I'm just not doing a typical, you know, flag, stars, fireworks. I'm doing butterflies, so just a little different, you know. You don't have to do this for a 4th of July or anything like that. It could just be just 'cause. But I knew I needed to have something out there, you know. I've done 4th of July manicures every year that I've been here on YouTube, and I wanted to continue that, but I've already done everything I wanted to do, so I decided to want to do something else. Just something different for a change. And I did decide to show you me doing 2 nails, since this was kind of a basic manicure with just a little bling bling. And getting all that excess cleaned up. But I really enjoyed this one. I thought it was really cool. Had a lot of fun with it. And this powder that I'm tapping into the sticky stamping polish, it's, I don't know if it's reflective glitter or just hollow glitter or what, but in certain lights it blew my mind. It was just crazy. It just picked up so well. It was just so pretty. Go put the cap on that so I don't knock it over and spill it. And then I'm going to clean off my stamping plate. Got it clean, my little mat. And now I'm taking my big fluffy brush and dusting off the excess onto a paper towel so I can easily get that out of here. Any fallout. There we have it. I am going to top this with the clear sealer from SheModern. And I'm showing you blurrified how very tiny little bitty bits you use on this. You really don't need much at all. It's very nice that you use just a little bitty bit. Got some matte problems going on here. Sorry about that. My finger was sticking to it, so it moved the matte. We're going to get our cleanup brush out here. Just kind of go around the edges real quick. Ta-da! And now that that's dry, I'm going to go in with my Seche Vite and finish this one off. And I could have gone in with some little white dots, either in the blue or the red, but I just didn't think about it until after the fact. So if you do this, you might want to do that too. I don't know. And here is my swatch photo. I do hope you enjoyed this one. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.